In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in InVideo. If you're ready to start making videos faster with AI and templates, this walkthrough will take you from landing on the site to your first look at the dashboard, step by step, in just a few minutes. Start by heading to the official InVideo.io website. Double check the URL so you're on the real page, then look to the top right corner and click the Sign Up button. This opens the account creation options. You'll see two main ways to join. The fastest is single sign-on using an existing Google or Apple account. If you pick this, you'll connect through a secure prompt, and you're in almost instantly with no passwords to manage. If you'd rather use an email address, select the email option, type in your email, and click Create Account. Keep your browser tab open while you complete verification. InVideo often uses a passwordless system for email signups, which means you'll receive a 6-digit verification code in your inbox. Open your email in a new tab or on your phone, find the message from InVideo, and copy the code. If it isn't there yet, give it a moment, and remember to check your spam or promotions folders just in case. For your security, never share verification codes with anyone. Return to the InVideo tab and paste the 6-digit code into the verification box to confirm your identity. If a code expires, simply request a new one and try again. Once verified, you'll be prompted to complete a quick profile so the platform can tailor your experience. Choose your primary role, such as YouTuber or marketer. This helps the AI suggest the right templates, tools, and workflows. You may also be asked to name your workspace. Pick something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to collaborate later. A descriptive name keeps projects organized as your library grows. After you finish these details, you'll be taken straight to the main dashboard. Here's where the fun begins. You can generate your first video using a prompt where you describe what you want and let the AI draft a starting point, or you can browse ready-made templates by style, platform, or use case and customize them. Take a moment to look around the interface. Many accounts show a brief tour on the first visit. If you see tooltips, they're helpful for learning where to find scripts, media, and exports quickly. That's it. Your InVideo account is ready, your profile is set, and your dashboard is live. You can now start creating videos from a prompt or a template with confidence.